Okay, so we are locating the inflatable spare tire in a 2013 Audi Q5 hybrid model, and the owner's manual is very unclear as to where the inflatable spare tire is located. So for the benefit of everybody, I am showing you that you have to unscrew these plates, this is what it looks like, using the toolkit that's provided and that specific screw top there. And then once all four are taken out, you lift up from what looks to be a wood panel covered by fabric.
Hand in there.
Your handle up and lift the whole thing up, and it's located.
That's the next question. We got that far.
It's like wrapped around something circular, I thought.
Yeah.
I'm not seeing anything wrapped around anything. Are you?
Mm-mm. It's all batteries.
Do we want to look back at the owner's manual again? 270? I don't see.
Yeah.
There's something circular in the image on page 270, 272.
That is strange.
That is the image of the owner's manual at page 270. That's what it should look like. I'm not seeing anything that looks like that. So I am assuming that this model, the Audi Q5, doesn't have an inflatable spare tire. Even though it looks like I've got a compressor in the wheel bay that would allow me to blow it up. That's that compartment. There's a battery over there. So I think we are out of luck. Okay, so hold on one sec. So what we've determined must be true is that where the wheel or the inflatable tire would be is right about where the hybrid lithium-ion battery is. So your trade-off on the hybrid is you lose the inflatable spare tire, because that's exactly where it says in the owner's manual it would be. So that's your cost-benefit analysis.